In this video, let's explore the Parabolic SAR, one of the favorite indicators among traders to follow a trend. This is a trend indicator that could help you to find ideal entry points, when to join a trend, when to go in a corrective way, correction to the previous trend, and also helps you to trail your protection, trail your stop losses in some cases, to minimize your losses. So first of all, where can you find this indicator that was developed by J. Wells Wilder? You simply go to the indicator list, trend, and you would find here the Parabolic SAR. By default, it comes with a minimum acceleration factor and maximum acceleration factor, or AF at short, and usually the ranges that come by default is 0.02 up to maximum acceleration factor of 0.2. You can of course change the visibility of the lines, the thickness of the line. You can also change the visibility of the time frames and the chart types where you want to see that, and you can add levels if you are interested, and add, of course, the shift as well. So once you add the indicator, this is how it will look like. So first of all, how do you identify the trend? When the parabolic dots are simply dropping to the downside, this is a bearish trend. When the parabolic dots are rising, this is an uptrend. The more vertical the lines are, the bigger the momentum is, of course, and one of the common preferred ways of traders how to trade it is simply when after an uptrend the price goes below the parabolic SAR, when the parabolic SAR changes the direction. It again is based on the previous extreme points and the acceleration factor, how the price accelerated there, and once the direction of the dots, the parabolic SAR changes, traders make the assumption that the trend changes as well. Here, 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 and so on. The problem is this is fantastic when the trend is there, but it would give a lot of false indication, false signals when the market is choppy, like happens to be in that case, for example. So the best case scenario for the parabolic SAR is simply to combine that with other indicators available for you in cTraders, oscillators, for example. But the best way is always combine indicators, which give indications, and price, which give the direction of the real market.